Yeah, this your guy Mozaro again. This answer is cleared once, today, and for all. Most people meet me outside and ask me, Mozaro, how can I start this business? They ask me a lot. Starting businesses are very similar. You have to follow these steps before you can do your business. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up to this video, and I'm gonna lead you into how you can start your business. If you want to start a business, first get the type of niche you want to join. So if I talk about the niche, the industry you want to operate within, so get the industry of your choice and try to make a plan. Secondly, you have to plan for it. After you make your plan, you see the differences, get much difference between you and your competitors. So if you getting your differences, then now you can start with the paperwork. You can register your business, acquiring license and other stuff. From there, you start getting your clients, maybe before you start about getting an office space. So mostly you don't need money to start your business. The license, acquiring, and those stuff are petty things that don't need much money. So make sure you get your plan done very well. If your plan can't be done by yourself, get the link below. I'll help you. Mozaro Consult will help you do the plan with a vivid so that you get more sales. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm outside, so there are a lot of fowls around. Yeah, I'm exploring, and I'm at a village around Afo region. Yes. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe.